If you want to download Genshin Impact on your PC, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you download Genshin Impact, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open your web browser and search for Genshin Impact official website. Now open the official Genshin Impact website and click on the download button. Next, select the Windows option to download the PC launcher. Once the installer has finished downloading, open the installer file by double-clicking on it. Now, click on Custom Installation and choose the location where you want to install the launcher. Next, select all the required boxes and click Continue Installation. Once the installation is complete, click Finish, and then click the Launch button to open the launcher. Now, click the Get Game button and choose the location where you want to install the game. After that, click Start Installation. And if your PC doesn't have enough free space, free up some storage before starting the installation. Once you have enough space, click Start Installation and wait for the game to finish downloading and installing. This may take some time depending on your internet speed and PC. When the installation is complete, click Launch Game. Finally, sign into your HoYoverse account or create a new account, and then you can enjoy Genshin Impact on your PC.